Hey there, Prairie Point Girl here. So I just did a quick video of getting all my peppers harvested because it looks like we'll probably get frost tonight or within the next 3 nights anyways. Our warmest night coming up is +1 Celsius as the forecast states. So I'm going to take all my warm weather crops, take them in. So the last thing I have left here is watermelon. Now this is Moon and Stars. I don't think it's ripe. It's very windy out here. Hopefully you can hear me. I don't think it's ripe and it's not very big, but I'm going to take it and cut it open and see. Then I have a Scaly Bark. So these are in netting. So if you didn't see the video, how I support my watermelon, this is just like pantyhose, just to hold them up on the trellis. This one might be good. We've had a couple of Scaly Bark already, and they've been pretty good. These have a kind of a peachy orange flesh in them, so you might cut into it and think it's not ripe, but it actually is. They're pretty seedy, but they're very sweet and tasty. And then I have up here a Scaly Bark, and again, it's not very big. They the plants seem like they have kind of gotten past their point of best. This has started to crack. I've never had a watermelon do that before, so we'll see what that looks like inside. Not sure if it's ripe or not yet. And then down at the bottom, I had a watermelon I didn't even know was there. So I'll take you down there, we'll have a look. So down here I had a Scaly Bark. Didn't have the camera on apparently, but it was growing down here. I didn't even know it was there. And it has really nice coloring on it. The little tendril on the stem after the fruit there had dried up. And the bottom has a little bit of a yellow, but not a real yellow spot. So I don't know. This one wasn't being supported. I didn't realize it was down here. And it was pretty much just sitting on the ground anyways. So we'll see what it's like. But I got 4 watermelon, plus 2 I've already cut into and we've been eating. So it's not bad for Saskatchewan, Canada. But the Scaly Bark grows really well for me. And usually the Moon and Stars does. Now it didn't grow as well for me this year, but it was more at the back of the trellis, and there was an apple tree on the one side, the sunny side of it, so maybe it just wasn't getting enough sun. But I'm pretty happy to get what I got out of this in Saskatchewan, Canada. The wind is really coming up. This trellis keeps moving on me, and there's a big rain cloud over me, so I'm going to take my watermelon in and my camera in and get out of this weather before I get rained on or blow away. I hope you're having a good end to your harvest season, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.